Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a Serpentine belt on this 2004 Chevy Colorado with the 3.5 liter. It's basically the same procedure for either the 3.5 liter or the smaller 4-cylinder engine. Tools you'll need some type of 3/8 ratchet handle, and you'll also probably need a piece of pipe to put on there for some extra leverage.
So Serpentine belt, you can see it right down in here. Okay, your tensioner is right down here, and you're going to either find a square hole right out in the center of the pulley, or on this one it's right here kind of in the center of the tensioner body. Okay, and what we're going to do is take a 3/8 drive flex handle. Kind of gives us the best way to get in there, and you can see the flex handle goes right into that square hole, and we'll work it right in there. So first I want to make sure I press that flex handle in there well. Okay, then I'm going to take a piece of pipe, and that just lets me get a whole lot more leverage on my tensioner. Okay, pull the tensioner back and then pull the belt off.
Okay, and I realized after when I was editing this, it wasn't really clear what I was doing there. With the handle, the 3/8 handle that I put in the tensioner and that pipe, I'm basically turning the tensioner clockwise, which takes tension off the belt, and then I can take the belt off the pulleys. And then slowly let the pipe and wrench back. Pull the wrench out. Okay, and then I can take the belt off the alternator, the idler pulley over here, okay, off of the AC pulley, which is way down at the bottom, comes up from the water pump pulley or the fan pulley, and then off the crank pulley, and pull it right up and out. Okay, on these vehicles you have a diagram right here that helps you put your belt on. First thing you want to do is make this loop and put it down around the crank, and then bring it up around the fan pulley here and down around that AC pulley. Okay, a little hard to film, so you just have to kind of take my word for it. Taking a loop, putting it right down between the engine and the fan, and you might have to twist it a little bit, get it down around the crank pulley. Comes back up around the fan pulley. Okay, and then I have to send another loop down and get it down and around the AC pulley. Just kind of turning the fan with my hand as it goes down. Comes up around this idler pulley and put it around the alternator. Okay, so I've got the belt pulled up here, okay, but it's routed correctly. It goes down that tensioner pulley, then around the crank pulley down there, comes back up to this fan pulley, goes
back down to the AC pulley, back up to the idler pulley, then to the alternator pulley, and over. Okay, this allows me, having it here like this, it allows me to hold on to it with this hand and then get my wrench and pipe and take the tension off the belt. The longest handle I have, take it, I'm going to pull it, and I'm going to put my piece of pipe on it on the other side of this hose. Okay. Pull it as far as I can. Take my belt, pull it tight, wrap it around my power steering pump, and then carefully let my wrench go. And check, do a visual check. Okay, so just a quick inspection. It's on here correctly, down around the crank, comes up. It's on my AC correctly, up on the alternator. Everything looks good.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.